London back in time. London is not just a city. It is a living archive of human ambition. From muddy Roman roads to towering skyscrapers, London has survived fires, plagues, wars, and revolutions, and each era has left a visible mark on its streets. To walk through London is to walk through time itself. London began as Londinium, founded by the Romans around the year 43 AD. Its location on the River Thames made it a strategic trading post, easy to defend, easy to supply, and perfect for commerce. Stone roads, wooden bridges, and Roman walls slowly transformed a marshy settlement into a thriving provincial capital. After the fall of Rome, London entered the medieval age, crowded, noisy, and deeply religious. Narrow streets, timber houses, open sewers, and constant danger defined daily life. Cathedrals rose above the chaos, while markets and guilds controlled trade. Plagues and fires were common, but the city never stopped growing. The Tudor period turned London into the heart of royal power. Henry VIII's court brought wealth, danger, and political intrigue. The city expanded rapidly, fueled by trade, exploration, and a rising merchant class. London was no longer just surviving. It was dominating. In 1665, the Great Plague killed tens of thousands. A year later, the Great Fire of London reduced much of the city to ashes. But from destruction came rebirth. Stone replaced wood, streets widened, and London reinvented itself stronger than before. The Industrial Revolution transformed London into the largest city on earth. Factories, railways, docks, and endless rows of housing powered the British Empire. But progress came at a cost: pollution, poverty, and extreme class divisions. London became a city of both opportunity and hardship. The 20th century tested London like never before. World wars brought destruction from the sky, but also unity on the ground. After the Blitz, London rebuilt once again, modern, diverse, and global. History did not disappear. It adapted. Today, London is a city where every era coexists. Roman ruins beneath skyscrapers, medieval streets beside glass towers. London is not frozen in time. It carries its past forward every single day. London's story is not finished. It continues with every step taken on its streets, and every city, like London, has a story waiting to be rediscovered.